things on YouTube channel. Never do these things on your YouTube channel. It is very important to know that there is things that you are not supposed to do on your YouTube channel, because YouTube algorithm will put your channel on shadow ban. Yes, if your channel is put on shadow ban, there will be your videos or shorts will never be suggested or recommended by YouTube algorithm. It is very important to note that. What are these things that you are supposed not to do on YouTube? For example, number one, spamming. Yes, you have to become a course from July 15 changes that when you do sub to sub, that is spamming. Sub to sub on your channel. Note that the YouTube algorithm have workers or staff that work 24 hours to ensure that the videos which are put on the YouTube are not violating YouTube community guideline. That is by spamming sub to sub. What is sub to sub? Don't put those subs to sub things by going to groups and telling people to do sub to sub like that of Facebook. Yes, that is violating community guideline, and your channel can be put on shadow ban. Yes, avoid spamming. That is number two that can make your channel be deleted or demonetized. It is the use of hashtags. Yes, when you are using tags or putting tags on your channel, make sure there is 5, 6, or 7. Yes, don't put more of tags on your channel which are not related to what you are doing. Yes, put hashtags that are related to what you are doing on your channel. Maybe it's about growing on YouTube, maybe it's about growing your channel. Yes, what is the best hashtags for your form of growth or a form of tutorials you do on YouTube? Put those hashtags. Don't put so many which are not related to what you really do. Yes, please put the hashtags at the right thing. Things that can make your channel being deleted or demonetized. Yes, that is affiliate links. What are the affiliate links that you put on your channel? Are they form of scamming people or doing things bad or may ruin your channel? Yes, if you are scamming or the links you are putting or the people you are promoting are not doing the right thing, then the community guideline, you are violating the community guideline, because the YouTube have to protect their community. Yes, they work 24 hours because people will start saying your channel are scamming people or you are not doing the right thing. Make sure the people you are working with are doing the right thing. Yes. That can make your channel being deleted or demonetized is uploading of pornography. Avoid uploading videos which are violating your community guideline. Avoid uploading pornography or things which are related to abuse or child abuse or form of sex or doing things which are not necessary on the channel. Yes, make sure you are doing the correct thing to avoid violating the community guideline or putting your channel on the shadow ban. Yes, avoid uploading pornography and uploading videos which are abusing the children.